Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage door lock keeps beeping, stop alarm slash beeping plus sensitivity and reset. A constantly beeping Schlage lock usually indicates a low battery, an internal jam slash misalignment, or an incorrect code entry. To stop the beeps, check the battery level, ensure the deadbolt is aligned with the door frame, or perform a quick power cycle. Fix 1. Replace the batteries. For keypad locks, example BE365. This typically uses a 9-volt battery located in the interior assembly. So remove the two screws from the inside cover, pull the cover off, and replace the battery. For smart locks like Encode, Connect, or Sense, these typically run on 4AA alkaline batteries located behind the interior cover. Tip: always use brand new high quality alkaline batteries only. Fix 2. Check for mechanical alignment. First, test the bolt. Open your door and enter the code to lock it. If it locks perfectly with the door open, your issue is alignment, not the lock itself. Next, adjust the strike plate. The deadbolt should slide perfectly into the strike plate hole on your door jamb. So use a screwdriver to loosen the screws on the strike plate. Shift it slightly and tighten it so the bolt doesn't drag. Then loosen mounting screws. If you recently installed the lock and it binds, the interior screws holding the lock to the door might be on too tight. Slightly loosening them can release the tension. Fix 3. Perform a power cycle or reset. For quick reboot, remove the battery for about 30 seconds, then reconnect it. As this clears minor motor faults. For factory reset, if a reboot doesn't help, perform a complete factory reset according to your model's instruction, which typically involves holding the interior switch button while reconnecting the battery. Note, this will erase all user codes. Fix 4. Turn off the beeper. Press the slash button and enter your 6-digit programming code. Then press the number 5 on the keypad. The success indicator. If you see one blink and hear one beep, it means the beeper is enabled. But if you see two blinks or hear two beeps, it means it is disabled. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.